Becoming the perfect host or hostess, whether at a restaurant, home gathering, or event, requires a mix of hospitality, attention to detail, and emotional intelligence. Here's a guide to help you master it. Warm welcome. Greet every guest promptly with a smile. Use polite, enthusiastic language. Welcome, we're glad to have you. Make eye contact and use names if possible. Appearance and body language. Dress appropriately and maintain a neat appearance. Use open body language. Stand straight, avoid crossing arms, and stay approachable. Stay calm, even under pressure. It helps guests feel at ease. Be attentive, but not overbearing. Anticipate needs, offering water or answering unspoken questions. Be present but not intrusive. Check in at the right moments. Use active listening skills. Strong communication. Speak clearly and confidently. Explain procedures or delays politely and honestly. Always say, please, thank you, and you're welcome. Know your space. Be familiar with your layout, tables, restrooms, exits. At a restaurant, know the menu, specials, and reservation list. At home, know where everything is, utensils, extra drinks, seating. Solve problems quickly and gracefully. Stay calm when problems arise. Offer solutions immediately. Never let a guest feel ignored. Apologize sincerely when needed and follow up. Create comfort and ambience. Ensure the environment is clean, well-lit, and pleasant. Temperature, scent, music. Match the vibe of your event or venue, formal, casual, festive, etc. Remove distractions or discomforts, e.g., loud noises, long waits. Make every guest feel special. Personalize your interaction if possible. It's great to see you again, Mr. Rahman. Show genuine interest in their comfort and experience. Never rush anyone or show favoritism. Time management. Keep things flowing. Avoid delays, long waits, or slow service. Respect guests' time, especially in professional settings. Know your space. Be familiar with your layout, tables, restrooms, exits. At a restaurant, know the menu, specials, and reservation list. At home, know where everything is, utensils, extra drinks, seating. Bonus tip. Learn from feedback. Ask for feedback and reflect on what you could improve.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel to learn more.